Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to Coupon Hacks. My name is Karna, and I'm so excited to show you what I got at CVS yesterday. So these deals are happening from February 24th until March the 2nd at CVS. And I'm so excited and happy about this deal because we do have a lot of great CRTs and great manufactured coupons. So let's go and jump into the deals. And by the way, guys, if you're into couponing and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos every week because I will be posting money saving videos on how I do couponing and save money on different stores. So here we go. We are going to start with our freebie of the week. That's the Colgate toothpaste. So Colgate is on promotion this week. That is for $3. And if you will buy one, you will get a $250 extra bucks. So we have a manufactured coupon that we can use from our smart source yesterday. That's February 24th. So use that coupon so you can roll your extra bucks. You can pay $2.50 and then you will get your $2.50 back to buy it to anything that you want in the store. Another awesome deal is from Physicians Formula. So Physicians Formula is spend 14, get a $10 extra bucks back. And we have a coupon. However, that coupon expired as of February 23rd. However, when I made this transaction last Sunday, my cashier accepted it because I think coupons are still good for 24 to 48 hours. So if your cashier will accept it, then that's great. So what I did was I bought the Physicians Formula blush for $14.49. And then I used my 2 of 12 cosmetic CRT coupon that I got from the Redbox machine. And then I used my $3 manufactured coupon from Physicians Formula. So after coupons, I have a total of $9.49. And then I used my $9.50 extra box. I rolled it and then I paid zero and then I got $10 back. So this came out as free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Another hot deal that I want to share with you guys is from PNG. PNG is on promotion this week. That spend 20 get a $5 extra bucks back. So in the weekly ad, there's a lot of products that are included there. However, I only picked up three Pantene shampoo and conditioner, and then I also picked up the Tide Pods and the Crest 3D White. So here's the breakdown. So my total before coupons is $19.93. And then we are only going to be using one manufactured coupon and two digital coupons. So this is a very easy deal, guys. So this is also great for newbies. So we are going to be using one $5 manufactured coupon from our March PNG for the Pantene. And then I received a $2.50 shampoo CRT. So I used it. And then I used the Tide pod app coupon from the app. So I sent it to the app. I clipped it to my card as well as the Crest app coupon. I also clipped it to my card. So that's a total of $2 digital coupon and then $5 for the Pantene and $2.50 for the shampoo CRT. So after coupons, I rolled my extra bucks and paid $8.43 and then got back $5 in extra bucks back. So the final price here is only $3.43 or 68 cents each. Another great deal is from Lady Speed Stick or Speed Stick. It is on promotion this week for $2.49. And if you'll buy one, you will get a dollar extra bucks back, and that is a limit of two. So I picked up two and I used two of the 50-cent manufactured coupon from our smart source last Sunday. That's February the 10th. And then I also used my 2 of 2 speed stick CRT that I received last week. My total before coupons is $4.98. And then I used a total of $3 in coupons, so I paid $1.98. But then I got back $2 in extra bucks. So the final price is free. Another awesome deal this week is from Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. So it is on promotion this week. That's two for $10. And we have a high value buy one, get one coupon from our March PNG that we can use with this. And if you have a shampoo CRT, you can also combine it with this deal so to make it even better. So the deal here is for Tresemme, you're gonna buy it. It's gonna be $2 and so the deal here is for Tresemme, it's on promotion, two for $10. And if you will buy two, you will get a $2 extra box back. So I got two of the Tresemme, and then I used my BOGO coupon from our March PNG, so that will take off $5. And then I got $2 in extra box back. So this came out as $3 or $1.50 each. Another hot deal of the week is from Head and Shoulders and Herbal Essence. It's spend 20, get a $5 extra box back. So what I did here is I got four Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. So that's a total of $24 because I received a 4 of 12 Herbal Essence shampoo CRT. So I used it. And then I used two of the BOGO coupon from our March PNG. So that also took off $12. So in this transaction, I combined this with a speed stick and the Tresemme because I received a 5 of 30 email coupon that I received last week. So I combine it. So I will not put a breakdown here because I know that not everyone is getting that same email coupon. However, if you have a shampoo CRT, guys, so pair it with this deal. So to make this really, really cheap. I also took advantage of the Chic deal. Chic this week is also on promotion. Spend 25, get a $10 extra box back. So I picked up one Chic Hydro 5, one Skintimate Shaving Cream, and one Chic Quattro. And this is the breakdown. The Chic Hydro 5 is $13.49, and then Chic Quattro is $9.99, and one Skintimate Shaving Cream is $3.69. So my total before coupons is $27.17. And then these are the coupons that I used. I used one Chic Hydro manufactured coupon from our Smart Source 210. Or you can also see this in the app. You just have to clip it before going to the cashier. And I also used one Chic Quattro. That's also from our 210 Smart Source. Or you can also find this in the app. There's also a Chic Quattro. And by the way, we also have a Chic app coupon for $7. So be careful, guys, because we do have a $4 high value coupon that we can use. So I'd rather use the $4 for the Chic Quattro and the $4 for the Chic Hydro. So that's a total of $8 instead of using the $7 app. And then we also have a dollar Skintimate app coupon that we can send to our card. And then this week I also received a dollar Skintimate CRT, and then I also received a 3 of 12 shave CRT, and then a $3 any chic CRT. So I combined everything and I was able to use it. So after all the coupons, I rolled my extra box and only paid $11.17. However, I got $10 back. So the final price for everything is only $1.17 or 39 cents each. So it's a pretty good deal, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find the value in this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're always welcome here. And if you have any questions about couponing, let me know, and I'll be happy to help. So see you again in my next video. Bye!